When good times call, the BlackVue ELITE 8, equipped with Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, captures it all with crystal clarity and supreme low-light sensitivity. And when late nights turn to early mornings, the ELITE 8's dual HDR is a trusted partner, optimizing footage and capturing claimed crucial details by balancing bright and dark areas. When unplugging from life, the BlackVue parking mode keeps watch and pairs beautifully with BlackVue Cloud, while the new power-saving mode ensures weeks of uninterrupted protection. And when bun in the oven becomes baby on board, the ELITE 8 is like a guardian angel, doing everything possible to keep your world secure. Life takes you a lot of places, and the new BlackVue ELITE 8 dashcam provides you with the ultimate protection anywhere you go. BlackVue ELITE 8, redefined clarity with dual HDR.